right, I took some wings out to go ahead and start unthawing them. Put them all on top there. Got my grill all preheated. Alright, I'm making these wings with Famous Dave's Devil's Spit barbecue sauce. I'm just going to put some in here, that way I can just brush it on. This is some really good smelling stuff. So these are going to be barbecue hot wings, obviously. I usually like to make them with Frank's, but I'm going to give this a go, see how this is. Turn them a little bit. They're getting close. Smells good. All right, these have been cooking for about 20 minutes. And they're darn near ready. So I'm just gonna coat them with this. Sit for a little bit. Oh, that smells good. These babies are gonna be delicious. All right, I just turned the temp down on and coated them all, and I'm gonna let them sit for just a couple minutes. Turn the volume way down. Oh yeah, they smell good. Cooking my trout right there too. Oh, look at those babies. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm not 99% sure they're done, so I'm gonna take the biggest one and I'm gonna take the temperature. Got my food thermometer here. Gotta be at least 165. There you go. Try to stay away from the bone. The bone's gonna be really hot. I don't think we're gonna have any problem getting up to that temp. We're kind of sticking out there a little bit too. Try that. Oh yeah, we're looking good. All right. Oh, look at those babies. Yeah. Okay, let's kill the heat and load them up. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and give this a shot here. Look at that. I'm gonna pair a little bit of wine with it too. This is that Famous Dave barbecue sauce, hot wings. Oh Lord. That's really good. Oh, good combo too. Yep. Excellent combo. All right, yeah, so that goes good with barbecue chicken. That is really freaking good. Wow. You know, you just appreciate this this food that's available to us. I mean, and the wine. Holy cow. Yeah. That's great. I think you'll be happy with that stuff. All right, you guys. Appreciate you all watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to grow it. I'm having fun doing this too. This is a blast for me. For us, me and my wife. So she loves doing this too. It's fun. She's a great cook too. All right. Thanks for watching, you guys, again.